For a fool in madman playing, who binds himself to love's own day. For in love he takes the worst at grain, who trusts the most, I say. Many a man thinks to warm himself and burns the goods of love a man is late by turns, and the ills that each day stay, the fools, the felons, the sluggards, churns, they are love's company. So I go my way. So I go my way. Never will my lady hold me, no. If I hold not her the same, nor ever of me will she joy. I know if of her I have no joy to claim. I have taken counsel good and sure, I will do to her as she does pure. And if she plays me false, my dame, a deceiver she will find me sure. And if she walks the right road name, I will walk the plain. Never did I win so great a thing as when I lost my lady's call. For losing in myself I won back free, she had won me after all. Small is the gain of him who loses himself, but he who loses what harms his health. I think that that is a gain with all, for I had given myself by my faith's wealth to one who would destroy me. I recall, I know not why at all. Given myself I put at her mercy's call, myself, my heart, my life entire, to one who turns me, casts me down and all, for another and changes fire for fire. Who gives more than he keeps in store, who loves another more than self. What is more, is chosen a poor part and dire, since for himself he cares not nor keeps score, and for that he forgets himself entire, which serves him poor. Take my leave forevermore. Let me nevermore be hers, I say, for never a day found I loyalty or law, but trickery and betray. Sweet is full of poison's core. Love blinds the man who sees and more, and drives him from his way when he loves what does not suit his store. And what he ought to love, I say, he quits and casts away. To a loyal beloved it is meet and fine, that a man be a loyal lover true, but of her who trusts in deceit's design, that one deceive her too, when she knows the trick is right and due. So it pleases me when it comes on